Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can hide your photos and videos on your Android mobile phone without installing any third-party application. So let's get started. If this is your first time here and want to learn more about computer internet applications, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. So guys, to hide your media files, just create a new folder and place your media files in it which you want to hide. In this case, I have created this SAN folder. As you can see, I have saved some of my YouTube video thumbnails in it. So to hide this folder, just open your file manager and look for your folder which you created or the folder you want to hide. So this is my folder. Now just click on it and click on rename. Now before your folder name, just put one single dot and then simply save it. As you can see, the folder is hidden. And you will not going to see that folder here. Guys, if you open the gallery, then it is hidden from here as well. Guys, if you want to access that folder or files, then simply go to the file manager and click on the folder option. Here you will see this show hidden files option. So just click on it. Now here you can see your folder. Guys, you can also hide this folder again by clicking on this folder option. So now you can access these files from the folder itself. Guys, you cannot access these files in your gallery until you remove the dot which you have placed in the folder name. So if you want to access these files from your gallery, then simply rename this folder and remove the dot which you have placed earlier. Now you can access these files in the gallery back again. So guys, this is how you can hide files on your Android mobile without installing any third-party application. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.